Howdy team, Rab the Rover here. Just got a propane tank hanger delivered from LP, so let's open it up and have a look. The tank holder itself looks to be aluminum, very heavy duty, well made, looks really clean. Comes with all the mounting hardware you need. You can just put those into the extrude slots in the camper and just tighten them down. The different holes are just offsets, so if you want to mount it a little bit one way or the other, that'll let you do that. And then it's got slots for the strap to hold the propane tank solid while you're running down bumpy roads. It also comes with this 4-foot roller cam buckle to strap the tank to the hanger with. The propane tank holder with the roller cam weighs just under 3.5 pounds. Without the roller cam, it is 3 pounds even. So the propane hanger itself, I believe, is rated for a 10-pound tank. I'm going to try to use it with my little 5-pound tank here. I think it should work just fine. My thought process here is I'm going to install it in this piece of extrude on this side of the camper next to my gear vault. The reason for that is my kitchen cubby is right here, so I can put the stove here, run a hose up to the propane tank, and it's nice and out of the way. It's not on the ground. I'm not tripping over it or anything like that. So we are going to have to pull off this plastic cover there that's hiding the cabling to our fan. So we'll have to figure out a little creative way to reroute that, but let's get the hanger installed in that extrude and see how it goes. As with everything Lone Peak makes, install is very easy. We just need to get these 3 T-nut bolts lined up with the slot in the extrude, twist them tight with a 5mm Allen key, and we should be done. All right, finish tightening up this top one here. Make sure that everything's locked in. And there you go. Nice and solid. Literally shake the whole truck with it. It's not going anywhere. The only thing I have left to do is reroute this wiring. So I just need to get it back into that extrude channel, run it along the side of the propane tank holder, and then a little bit more underneath it. I still have plenty of channel cover from where it was before I installed this, so I just need to cut off little lengths to lock that wire in on either side, and we should be done. Oh, and before I forget, the propane tank holder is 10 inches tall, 7.5 inches wide at its widest point, and 2 inches deep at its deepest point. And here it is installed. You can see it sits pretty flush, doesn't come out very far. And it also clears the door no problem. I've got on these rightmost, if you're facing it, holes for the bolts, and you can close the door without it bumping into anything, no problem. Obviously if it was the other side, you'd be using the other holes, but it looks really good. Sits nice and snug, plenty of room around it, doesn't feel like it's in the way at all, so pretty impressed with it. As far as how the 5-pound propane tank looks on it, there you go. Fits absolutely perfectly. So here it is, the idea I had basically when I ordered this thing. You got the hanger with the tank right there, and then the hose runs down to the stove, nice and out of the way. Not tripping over it. Sometimes when you head it down there, it'd be easy to catch with your foot or something like that. It's out of the mud, out of the rain, all that jazz. So pretty happy with the outcome, and I think it's gonna work great for us. That's it for the propane tank hanger for the Lone Peak campers. If there are any other accessories you guys are interested in me getting and installing and reviewing, let me know in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. Also, if you use my discount code in the description for when you're buying a camper, I do get a small kickback, and that will allow me to get some of the bigger accessories going forward so we can keep doing review videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.